So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Ashanti Nikki. On this channel we talk about love, friendship and relationship. If you know you are just stumbling in here for your first time, this is your first time to come across this channel, show me some love, subscribe, like and comment on this video. And also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And as for those that have already subscribed, atuale for una. And as for my returning service, una place remain gallant. And for my new service, I love all una back to back. Thank you guys for supporting me. Keep on supporting Ashanti Nikki. If you people were not there, I wouldn't have been here. I'm here because you are there. I love you guys so much. Please don't relent on your effort. Yes, if you know you are from 27 and mid-40s, this video is for you. Una sit down for down, more digest something, more throw them brakata. We talk am as a day. You go hear some part, the girl go talk for a friend, say my friend I garage the full as I not just like me, the guy not just come on road. The guy not come on road, the guy is dressed and they even understand. The guy is dressed and the first stand for his skin, the balance for his skin. Not kind guy that, some kind country guy. I say my sister, you know what here say one shot is another man's poison. Even identical twin, they not feel like the same thing. You know if you tell me say wait this one like and I do so go like am. That's why you are you, I am me. You are Sarah, I am Nicole. You know if you ever like the same thing, cannot go. Yes, the kind of guys the way you talk say when they dress, he like in the kind of guy that when he dress, he just the man put it tie sapping. Them say it sap, it pass all man go turn look am. Now that kind of men the way like her. That kind of the back for box earring, even for their nose. Now they wear fubu zero seng. Tie pieces for their heads. Say na bando, nigga. Now that kind of men the way want her. That kind of men the way if some new fashion clothes just come up for market, they don't know say it don't come out. You go come me tell you, baby, help me 2K for them add all this 7K. Ma go buy that clothes. I don't see some clothes or new clothes don't come out. Now that kind of men the way like her. That kind of men the way when they take you out for a date, you want drink alcohol, you tell you say no. Alcohol no be romantic for a date. Why not try Fanta or Coke? They say you come on an operation. And if you want obey, like say me you no sound someone, you want sound romantic, you want be that how romantic say me you take the Coke or the Fanta where he request them for you. Now you don't start make your choice now. You oversee safe. You know you want do high, no one take them. You want me find boy go. And as you take the mimbo now, you want drink them for your own way you want them. You go to talk for you say, why are you in a rush? Be sipping the drink. Why are you in a rush? You want me to drink one bottle of Coke like for 4 hours. Now that kind of parliament the way you want them. My sister, that time don't pass for the look that kind of people them. You know what? That kind of men, even the picking for 20, this 18, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 24. They still do that kind of parliament there again. You see some small girl go talk, but like way to that kind of boy. Boy, where if something happen, no fit stand. Yes, since the two they don't get sense. Now that kind of person, the way you no get to put your eye for, because when some kind of serious situation happen, you tell you go say the money where I be get them. I don't go advance some clothes. Also money where I be get them. Some clothes the way some I already told me some make some my man bring them. Now I want pay for the clothes. I don't get me. And instead now you now go is turn out for it. Go instead what ask now you now for add them for you. Make it as you want to make it look good. You go take an from you. It buy so that make it look good. My sister, that time don't pass. Now so no see look. You know, be carried away by the physical appearance of somebody. You look now at somebody where if something happen, if he stand, you have to start ask yourself that kind of question. If something happen, the my guy if he stand. If now so it can't happen, say they can't drive me for my house, or I not see get money for continue for pay this house. Can it be of help? That kind of person where he wants your success. That kind of person where he wants for see you grow. Now that kind of person where you suppose for the thing of dating. Not be the other way around. You go sometimes some of them go shit down. They'll start jealous of their friend. You go the envy friend where he must have to take care for you. My friend now wait see. How that part the man they will take care for you so wait till you give na kaya matter. Tell me my ear. Why did my own they take care for me? Now because you know one be mature. Your friend don't decide for being mature. At times We have to forget on the physical appearance. We focus on the innermost content. We focus on the productivity. This person where data so push out the way to be output in case of any danger, in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Yes, now that kind of padima was support for the follower. Leave that one there for that small picking them. Even though they to their eye they don't open. Now which day where I go some friendly birthday I think 2 days ago. I should do with paddy man. So there be some story come up. The paddy man talk say man picking na jiton. Man picking na I pocket na I home man picking. You he say it is sorry woman the way that they go picking follow man picking because of maybe that physical this thing. If you want follow man picking, you get to follow man picking way. Now man picking the talk so woman get to follow man picking way. If in case of any problem, if it show up, kwata man picking this so na I pocket na I home man picking. Follow man picking way if he bad, if he be a backup for you. From the age 27 and above, now that kind of men the way you get for Russian. You don't get to rush that kind of men the way they see where Fubu zero sing. They see where big spore. They preach you love for you so you look at so you go It go write you poem. It do more of practice of theory than practicals. That time don't pass. It go write you poem for you. If you say na I had a call it Linus T. Asson on a poet, it don't be if you that on a poet, it don't become overnight. I don't talk that one, I don't leave that one. I want clear some air too. I brought some people come up with these videos, with this upload since, but I get some issues the way I want put some things there in place. Yes, I be sorry for that parliament the way they inbox me them 5. Now say 3, I'll talk on majority. 3 they talk almost the same thing. 2 they talk different things. They'll come for their own thing after. Ma clear this air. The parliament they write me, they tell me say it's like they say the way that they meet up the anger, the way the anger behave, it behave the same way. That means the way them say the child for talk so kind of thing the way I understand. So ma clear the air. Look when anger starts. I don't talk you as soon as I don't talk you for some video. I not be really elaborate. Yes, if you na some gas start, the way una start, it not go be all true. That one start. If it una fit the brush, na fit brush even 3 times for 1 hour. Let me put it that way. Yes, but not especially when una don't be like for 2 years, all those things will still be the same. The parliament they tell me say when it brush inga ne other is in the calm. In the calm. Now so in no say in the calm. So if you say inga, you go cheat somewhere. It is not like that. When you don't stay in a anger for some time for relationship, una they automatically can be like brothers and sisters. I don't mean say una no fit do some kind of, but the thing that is the limit. Even the rate at which una they brush is the limit. And like during brushing, ma clear the air, gonna refer the point, the problem there. No be hunger the calm during brushing. And there is a difference between calm and wetness. Nga feel wet where you no calm, you still enjoy the brushing. But when nga calm, it means you don't extremely enjoy the brushing. It will be saturated. It will be saturated rather. Now the difference between the calm and the wetness, now say when it calm, everything will be like yogurt. Even for your own cucumber, it will be like yogurt, white. Now the difference between that for the calming now, for the wetness now, it just got just normal. Yes, you need to be that white like yogurt. So may you not get them twisted. Not be every gas supposed to come during brushing. And gafi come if nga feel wet wey no can be still enjoy the brushing. At times na dey talk say you brush nga just be. It is like you know the enjoy. Try for ask you wait, you know your anger. Try for ask wait to be the problem. Maybe the over labor itself. You know say woman dey so it the love na for your heart. Woman, what am I saying? Woman dey so when it be disturbed, when it psychologically disturbed, everything go just be somehow the way it dey. It go just lost anxiety. You know the man picky way. If you just see Inga, so Inga just stand the Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. He just woke up. Woman not there, so woman not be carried away that kind of way. So I know I don't surely clear the air for day. You know mean say he go cheat and so on. Maybe now because of tiredness. You understand? Yes, guys, you have come to the end of this video. If you know you have not yet subscribed on this channel, show me some love. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and comment on this video. See you on my next video. Bye.